Yes, but now what I want is your help to tell me the input for the statement, and then we will try to find the solution for it. Okay, fine. So this is your first code, run length. Okay, so it is having something like token here. Okay, so first of all, just we will give it a look on it, and we are using a for loop here. Okay, here we are having a for loop. In this for loop we are taking length of s. So, okay, so what is this s?
Just for run length, it was like if we take www zzgg means 3 times 3w 2g 2s like that, no counting.
Yes.
That is only run length. Simple run length. Okay.
Yes, the earlier that we have seen was this
Yeah,
only.
without tokens only.
Run length. Where it on this? Yes, so earlier it was like this only, 3w 3 2g, like it count basically this. Okay, so but this now this run length is a bit different. Okay, where it is, this. Okay, so it takes basically your any s statement and like input, and then it will count the length of it. Suppose say I give in the length your name. Okay, so suppose say I say Anjana, right? So basically it will take the length of it, like 1 2 3 4 6 for I in range 6. Okay, so 6 time it will be moving from 0 to 5. If s, okay, means the first character, if a is equals to data, right?
One more thing,
Yes.
I get the doubt when I should use length of s and when I should use
Huh.
only s we will use, like for I in s.
Yes, so see, now if you want to use
I'm getting confused.
so let's take an example. Suppose say
Sometimes I feel to use both at once, like either of those, but I'm getting error in some questions.
yes, so what is the case that you can use both, but suppose say if here you just want to wait, let me just show you something. For I in range, if I do this, okay, and I say length of s. Okay, so what it will be printing giving me in I. Can you try to see try to tell me what is I will be the value of I? No. So this is the difference. This is you need to be understand by you. Okay, so you need to understand this. If you will print now this I, okay, so the output will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yes, I will print it, but before that, just tell me what this value will be replaced here. Suppose say I am using this s. Yes, for now it will be 0 to 5.
0 to 5.
Okay, because here we are using length. So what this length is output, this will output the length of this, that is 6. Okay. For I in range 6. Okay, so you see here we are having 0 to 5, but the thing you said that it will be like a n j a n a, that will be if you use this for I in range this, because now here s. Yes, for I in s. Okay, so now this will give me these values a n j a n j a n a. Okay, because see what we are doing is, so this s value is replaced with this here. Okay, this earlier what was happening when we were using range function, so this whole value was replaced with what, this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
0 1 2 3 4 5. Earlier this was being replaced, these values were replaced when we use range function for I in that list.
Only length of s is given, starting value will be taken as 0, starting index.
Yes, this value will be taken as 0. Like if you want to print the first index, you will say this is your index name, right? I is your 0. Okay, so 0 is your index name, right? So if I say a and s in the bracket, I will say I. Okay, so just try to understand how this syntax is working. Okay, don't try to remember it.
If I take print s of I, then what happens if print s of I?
You tell me what will happen.
Can you run it?
You tell me what
S
it's.
of 0, s of 1, s of 2, a and j and a.
Yes, a and j, because I is your index number, right? 0 1 2 3. So it will give in the output this a n j a n. Okay.
Means I can write this for I in s and print I, then also it will be printed a and j and a.
Yes.
So
So
I in the length of s, print s of I is same.
yes. Okay. So now you have to understand basically. Don't try to remember, or don't try to means remember it. Okay. Try to understand how it is working. What will be this value replaced with? What will this? What will be the output of this line? What will this function return? Then you replace it with the whatever it will be. It will be like 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, like whatever. Okay, and then you see for I in this list, that means for I, first the I will be 0, then 1, then 2. Okay, so here we are doing the same thing. Here for this range, like for length in s, first of all we are taking the first digit of s, right? First index 0. Okay, and then we are storing that in our data. So what will be the data is equals to, what will the value that will be stored in data? Tell me.
One minute.
Hmm.
Can you repeat it once again?
So here in our input we are passing this s, right?
Yeah.
And then we are taking the first element of this s here, right?
Yeah.
And then storing it on data. So tell me what the value will be stored inside this data.
S of 0 means like a.
Okay, so now here what we are doing is, here we are running a for loop. Okay, then we are checking for length of s. Okay, so what is the length of s?
Length of s is
6. Okay, so now we are doing range of 6. So what will range of 6 will return to us? What will it give, this range of 6?
a and j and a.
No, wrong. When I say
Range of, like in the bracket it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6.
right, okay,
Just
right. So here the value will be like the value of I will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, index value. Okay, now what we are doing is we are checking for if statement here. Okay, so the I value is 0 to 5, right? Index value. Okay, right? Now here what we are doing is, here we are taking that value from s and checking that index value. Like for the first iteration, the value of I will be, what will the I value for the first iteration? 0, right? Exactly. So now what we will do is, we will find the first element of our s. So what was our s? S was our Anjana, right? So now it will check for the first element of s, sorry. Okay, so what will the first element of s? That is a. Okay, now it will check if s, or this s bracket I is equals to data. Is it true or wrong? True, right? Because data is also a. So now what it will do is, it will count plus 1. So it will increment this value that was earlier 0. Okay, so it will increment this value by 1. So now this value will be changed from 0 to 1. Okay, Now for the second iteration, what the I value will be, that will be your 1. Okay, so now that this value will be, can you tell me what this s bracket I will be? N, right? So now it will check that if n is equals to data, the data value was a, no, right? So false. So this statement will be not be executed, and now this statement will be executed. So your result, so result was earlier empty string, right? So your empty string will be changed by string. It will take this count value, make it string. Okay, so earlier this string, the count value was, tell me what was the count value? 1. Okay, so 1 will be converted into string and it will be added to the data. So what is the value of that, this data? A, right? So it will be like 1a. Okay, now in the next step, what we are doing here is, what will be the value of data now?
Data is just a. S of I is
Uh-huh.
S of 0. S of I is how much? S of I is now S of 1. Data became n.
Yes, exactly, right. Now your data is n. Okay, so now this data is not a, now this data became n. Okay, now your count value is 1. Okay, this. Okay, so now the third iteration, in the third iteration the value of I will be 2. Okay, so now the value of I is 2. What value will be of this j, right? So it will check if j equals to data. What was our data? What was our data?
Data is n.
N. So j is not equals to n, so it will come to this statement that result str count plus data. Okay, so tell me now what is the value value of result?
1a. 1a plus str count was
1a.
count was how much? 1 now. 2 hours.
Yes, count was 1. Here he has said count is equals to 1.
Okay. Then data is j.
J. So as what I should, what will be the output of result? Means what the value will be
1a
inside?
plus
1a plus
1a plus 1 plus j.
1a plus
That
1
is 1a 1j.
1a 1j, right? This.
This string.
So now tell me, this data is stored at the front or at the end? Will this be 1a or 1a or 1j or 1j and 1a?
1a 1j.
This.
1a 1j.
Okay, right? So this is your value of result now. Okay, now we have 1a 1j. Okay, now for the fourth iteration and the similarly for the other iterations as well. Okay, so now suppose say here we get
What I get at last? What value? Count value I will get. No? Count value, result value, data value.
wait. So this value you will get at the last. Okay,
Okay.
for this result. For first iteration your result was 1a. For second your value was 1a 1n. Okay, 1a 1n. Then 1a 1n 1j. Okay, in the last iteration it is 1a 1n 1j 1a 1n. Okay, and now till this point the value of your result is this. Okay, now here what we are doing is, in a we are adding these two statements, this result, that was this, okay, Are you getting it or not? So the value of your token was this. Okay, so let me tell you that I haven't seen this code yet. Okay, I'm also working with this code with you at the same time. Okay, so just I got confused here. So this was the way of how you check what will be the output of result, right? You just write a print statement here. If you want to see what this value will return here, so you will write a print statement and it will display you. Okay,
You can write just a result. No, why you return that colon?
so that is just for displaying, so that you can get a clear
Okay.
in a clear format. Okay,
Yeah.
because there will be some other print statement also like this, and you will get confused. Okay,
Yeah.
so now here the value of result is this, token is this, and in A we are adding them both. A is like your result, this
I
plus,
can write print A, no?
yes, you can write printed, but here just we will confirm it here. Okay, now let's confirm, is this A according to our expectation or not. Okay, so we'll check A and J, A and A. Okay, so yes, so this is our A, right? 816B, 816B, and this. Okay, so this is same, exactly same. Okay, so till now here we have covered the code. Okay, now here we have a loop here, and now here we are just adding this x, right? And where we are adding this x, so we are adding this x at range. Here we are having a range 0 to length of A, so length of A will be something like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12 13 14 15 16
I can
17.
write count of A, for counting them.
Yes, you can write a count A. Okay, so or you can write length of A also. You can also write length of A. It will give you the length of A. Okay, and here it is a jump function. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is a 23 long word. Okay, this. Okay, and now here we are doing this jump function. Okay, I think this should work here. One square bracket. Okay, so it is not showing the as output as we want. Okay, so the loop will be from 0 to this 23, and it will take your jump as 3. Okay, so now let's print.
Leave that 1 2 3 like
Yes,
step gap, no? Step.
yes, it will be having some step gap. Okay, so what is the step gap? Let's see. Okay, so suppose say I say again the same value. It is saying error, and that is your length take exactly one argument 0 given. Okay, where here. Okay, so here we are having error. We will remove this.
Like this, if error comes, I am unable to clear.
Oh, so wait, I will tell you that. Okay, so now you see here we are using this 3 gap, so it gone to 0, it skipped 1, it skipped 2, it jumped to 3, skipped 4, skipped 5, 6, skipped 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this way it has jumped. So now your first value for j will be, first time it will be 0. Okay, so this j will be replaced with 0, this is 0. So now you have creating a new variable, that is your FRES, this. Okay, so now this will be added like this value, like A. So let's print it. What is this? This I want to check what the value, this value will be. Okay, So we will check what is this value. Okay, so we are seeing that whatever this value, yes, this FRES is
A of J is J plus 2.
yes. So it
Like string slicing.
yes, string slicing. So this is the starting value, your J is the starting value, and this is your end value, J plus 2. Like J for the first iteration it will be 0, and second and ending will be your 0 plus 2, it will be your 2. Okay, so 0 to 2 will be here. So in our case here we are having 0, like a 1 a sorry 1 a. Okay, so this much will be in the first iteration here, a. Okay, and the second iteration we are having 3 3, so J will be replaced with 3, 0 1 2 3. So 3, now it will be 9 n. Okay, n is your now your J plus 2, n plus 2, J plus 3 plus 2, like it will be 5. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So let's see what will the output of this. Okay, so if I say this, so you see for the first iteration J is equals to 0, we are getting a value, that is 1a. Okay, so now this 1a will be stored inside this fresh.
How will it become 1? If we count and you answer.
Yes, so this value will be giving as your starting value 0, J is your 0, right? So this is your 0. Now what will be your 0 to 2? Okay, so what is the 0 to 2 here in our A?
So the complete value is 1A.
1a, right? So what is
So it should be after it come to 1, no? It will leave the last index, so 0 to 1, 1A. Okay.
1a? 0 to 2.
Yeah.
It will not count, it will not count the end value.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Understood.
So in this first iteration this fresh value will be 1a, and the end we are what we are doing is we are adding this x there.
Okay, this is
Okay,
just adding x. Okay.
yes. So now we have something like this in the first iteration. Okay, and the second, in the second iteration, what is the value of J?
J is 1.
Wrong. What is the value of in the second iteration? J? 3, right? Here you are printing it.
Oh, sorry, 3 step gap is there, huh?
Yes, so 3. Okay, so now the value of our J is 3, right? And 3 plus 2
3 plus 2, 5.
5. Okay, so what is the 3 plus 3 to 5?
3 to 4, n,
n1, right? n1.
n,
Okay, so this value is your n1. Now n1 plus x, so this will be added to our fresh. So this will be n1, and the end we have x. Got it? Now you tell me for the second iteration, sorry, third iteration, what will be the, what should I add end here for the third iteration?
6 to 8.
Yes, 6 to 8.
Is what?
Now is
1, 1. L, 1A.
Huh?
1A.
1a. Okay, so yes, right, we have 1a, but also remember we also have x, so we will write 1a x, and same for other iterations as well, like idx, rmx, l8x, 6bx. So we got the output 1ax, n1x, l1ax, right, 91x, n sorry n1x, idx, rmx, l8x, and 6bx. After the last, I don't know why it haven't added, because first last value this didn't came. Okay,
Huh?
because here we are printing this -1. Okay,
What? I'm not getting what you said.
Because see here we are printing that FRES, right?
Yeah.
So we are saying that starting to the second last element. So if I will remove this -1 here, it will give 6bx also. Okay,
Right.
because here it is given that -1, that's why it is removing the last x. Everything clear?
Show the code once. Why we use the after we use the token? What was the change?
After we used the token, where here?
Like a token we use no in this code. What
Mm,
is the importance of
this token.
playing with
This token is we are using to add it with the result. We are having this result, right? We have
what was
add
the result? This no.
this.
This is the token we added. Then
We got
code,
A.
no?
We got this A.
Yeah.
Now we are performing with A.
Yeah. What we did in this app?
No need. Just for
Really.
practice.
Like run length means just we are editing. I got it like
No.
3W we counted the letters. No, here
This is just you are just for means for your practice or for
okay.
confusing you,
This one I understood, yeah.
so that you
Like
confuse
others
more and understand more.
using token challenge questions are same only, no? Others like whichever I send.
Yes. So you will perform these steps like I told you. Like if you don't know what this result is, so just print it. If you don't know what this statement does, so just print it. Then you will get to know. Okay. So are your doubts getting solved or not? Means are you enjoying the class or not?
Huh?
Means you are learning through this class or not? Means something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Simply why should I waste the time? I was literally tired to come to after coming TG. Then also I joined. But morning get up in that is not possible. Otherwise
Yes.
I would be in office. This
No.
can you explain which I sent that copy number?
Wait.
I will try these token challenge questions like how
Yes.
you are going.
This question you are saying? This question, right? So
Up to 4:30, no?
yes. So will you be requiring more classes or this much would be enough?
No. As per now today it's enough.
Okay, means like in 1 hour we will be completing, or it will take you longer, like because I think your 1 hour fees is only left. You can pay after the class if you
One
want.
more thing.
Hmm.
Or
You can pay after the class if it will take longer. Yes. Yeah, please say what you were saying.
yeah, okay. Yeah, nothing. Continue.
You have sent some more, I think. Okay. So this code is also like something math challenge. 5 is equals to false, 10 is equals to true. Okay. So what we are doing is we are taking any input here n. So if that value of n is smaller than 9 or smaller than 10, okay. What are you sending me?
Yeah,
You can
I
stop.
print, no?
Yes, you can stop sending. Okay.
Here
So
I can
yes,
print like
yes, you
print
can.
N also I can do.
Yes, you can do. So the n is your input only. So no need of printing that.
Not of that after print if n less than equal to 9.
Yes, you can do that. But I think here you just know. I think you know what the value of n is. So it is not important.
Yeah,
Where
not
so we used to print where we don't know what the value will be. Like here I don't know.
printing value we use, no? When we
Yes,
do the exam.
yes. Just like
That is the trick.
yes. So this is the basically your trick. Like you don't know what this value of n is, you just print it. Okay. So but now here we know what the value of n is, right? Because that only what we are inputting. So
Solve questions in coder Python.
No, I don't do that for now because I don't have
You
time
know, like how
actually.
it works, coder build.
Yes, like you have some given like challenges, like these
Like during exam, like
Hmm.
I try to write whatever course I know. If I don't get anything, like I can use ChatGPT. Is there any option there?
No, I think you don't do.
If I want to use the logic.
Wait, I haven't. I forgot to plug the charger on. Wait, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, say. So I think you can't do like it will be considered as cheating then. I think there.
Okay.
So I think you can't do that.
Okay.
But I can. If it is online, then you can do by your on your smartphone.
Offline only.
Oh, okay.
It's offline.
Then I think it will be not possible.
Okay. Continue.
So like here we are checking that if your value is smaller than 10, uh, sorry, greater than 10. So what this will be?
If n is less than equal to 9.
If n is less than, right? Yes, yes. So suppose we input a value that will be your 5, okay? So this is where your lesser than 9, right? So this should return us false. How it will work?
Okay.
So it will work as
Return true.
if it is
Less
5,
than 9.
yes, so it will return false here.
5 is less than equal to 9, right? If n less than equal to 9, that is true, no? 5 is less than equal to 9.
No. So
Both
it should
conditions we should agree.
no, it should return false. No, I'm saying return means output.
No, I'm just asking clearly. n is less than
Yes,
equal to 9, no?
yes.
5
So
is
for
less than
5,
9.
then it is true here.
5 should be equal to 9 also. Just either of both conditions should agree or either one condition.
No,
agree.
both.
Then it is false. It will go to while condition now.
What if the n value is
Now you've given 5 as n, okay?
yes?
Huh.
So
Condition won't agree. So you go to while.
why? Because
You only said no, less than equal to both should agree. Both condition.
no, wait, see here. I'm saying wait, huh? Yes, sorry. I got some other thing like either one should agree. Yes,
Okay.
either one. Okay. So yes, okay. I got confusion, no doubt. Okay. So like if either should agree. Okay. So this statement will return true. Okay, when your n value is 5.
Yeah.
So now it will check in this code. Okay. So if your value of n is 1, right, it will return you true. But if not, if your value is smaller than 10 or smaller than or equal to 9, okay, and it is also not equals to 1, okay, then it will return you false.
Yeah.
But if your value is greater than 9, suppose say 10, okay, now it will check this statement, and this statement is your sum. Okay, so what will be the output? It will be the sum of what? Okay, so it will be the sum of, it will run the for loop here. Okay,
I
so
will be result like if n is 10, I will be from 0 to 9, huh?
yes,
String of n, huh?
string of n, yes,
String of 9, 10, huh?
string of 10, so 10 will be string
I
of
will be 1.
1.
0
I
to 9, huh?
for the first iteration your I will be 1, and for second
I will be
iteration
1 or 0.
1, because see
Why?
here you are having 10, string of 10, string of 10, so it is 10, right? So for I,
String of 10 I understood. Why I starts with 1?
so the first element was I 1 because
Okay. If I return range function, then I will start from 0.
exactly right, then it will be like 0 1 2 3 4, but it is string here.
Okay.
So now it will take as it is like 10, so first value 1, then second value 0.
Okay.
Now for the first iteration your value of I is 1, right? So it will take I here, now it will convert it into integer, right? Now it will do square of it. like square of 1 is 1, right?
One.
So it will take 1, okay, and now it will take for second iteration 0, so it will do the square of 0, it will be 0 only, then it will sum it.
What second iteration of 0 now?
Yes, so in the second iteration the value will
I
be,
will not become like from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
no,
7, 10. It will be string.
so just now you told that it will be whenever it will be in range, right? Then that will be happening.
1 minute.
Huh?
If for I in
Hmm?
range of length of n is there,
Yes,
then length of 10 means it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Na?
right.
Okay. Here for I in str of n is there.
Huh?
Each character it will consider here.
Yes.
Then str of n is
Hmm?
str of 10 now.
Hmm? So tell me what is the first iteration?
It's like 1 minute.
Hmm?
1 minute.
Hmm?
Okay, first iteration 1, second iteration 0. Okay.
Done? Clear?
Then it will be 1 plus 0, 1.
Okay.
N becomes 1.
Okay. So now let's see it is 1 or not. Now here we don't know what is the value, like confirm. So now we will confirm it. Okay. So value of 1, value of n, sorry. So just to check, here we are doing it. Okay. So now let's see.
You can give semicolon or it's okay also, no? If you don't.
Yes, okay. Okay. Now if I say 10, the value of n is 1. Suppose say we give 25. Now tell me what is the value of n?
29.
How?
2 square plus 5 square.
Okay. So 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. Okay. So 29. So it should give us 29, right? Pop. Zoom meeting end.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hello?
Okay, so can you see the screen?
1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So where were we? Here. Okay. So here we pass the input as 25. Okay. So n value is 29 for the first iteration, and we are also having some other values. Why we are having the other values? While I n this and is this, return n is equals to 1. So it should come here, and after this it should return n equals to 1. Okay, so here we are using this while loop, right? Are you there? So now it will start from 9, and then your value of n will go to wait, yes, up to until it is the near to 9. Wait again, wait just a second. Suppose here we said n equals to 24.
Can you print n after while n greater than n?
This value print, and here are you saying, here you are saying that this, yes.
It will be 0 to 3.
Let's try
N greater than
25. 25 first was 25, then your n value is this 25.
2 times we got out.
Yes, here first of all this was the input.
Okay, input value, sorry.
Yes, so 25, now it got 29 here, so it stored as 29 this. So now the new value of our n is 25, right? No, 29, sorry. Okay, so now this 20 now this 29 value is greater than 9, right?
Why it will go to the loop?
Because it is while loop. While this statement is true, continue doing. Yes, 25 is greater than 9, right? So this system a code will execute. Now your n value, new n value is 29. So 29 is greater than 9.
It will run infinite loop.
Exactly, it will run infinitely time until n is smaller than 9. It will exit only when your value of n is smaller than 9. If you don't know how while loop, if you don't know while how it works is, while suppose I say while n is equals to l is greater than 9, okay, I say print n, okay, so and I also say that n is 10, suppose it this value, okay. So now if you will see that if I will not stop this, it will keep on executing, it will not stop.
To stop it, what we should write in the code?
You see here it is keep on executing, it will not stop until I where gone.
Can you write finite while loop?
Yes, so this is your infinite while loop. If you want to make it,
Finite.
if you want to finite, then you have to change it. Like if I say 11, okay, or say I will say it 15. Now what you have to do is you have to change this value, n is equals to n minus 1. This should work. N minus 1, like first 15, then 14, now 9, now it is okay.
Can you show the happy number code?
Yes, so now here we are doing the same thing. Now the n value is 29, still it is smaller than, it is greater than 9. Again this code will run 29, okay. So now we have 29. So the first element is 2.
Is it wrong? I think code is wrong. Why they get infinitely? 1 minute.
No, it is correct.
Yeah, this
So see,
correct, but it is. Can you show the output one? Continue.
So-
up to only. Okay.
so now what happened?
4
What happened, like 29, then it if you do like square of 2 and square of 9, 9 square is 81, right?
85.
Then it became 85, 864, 64 plus 25 49, 64 plus 81 145, 1 ka square 1, 4 square 16 25, 16 plus 25 plus 1 42, 16, 16 plus 4 20. Now you got 20, right? Now you have 0, so 0 square 0 and 2 square 4. Now 4 is smaller than 9, okay.
Can you scroll up?
Now 4 is smaller than 9, so 9 Now
Where it will go?
if it will go here, wait, this executed. Now it will come here. I think it should come. Wait. N is equals to 1. Return n is equals to 1. So your value of n is 4. Okay, so now this n is 4. It will come out for so that value of n should go here, but how it will go
It
there?
should be while loop first. No, should come under any loop. This while loop should come under any for loop, huh? Instead of that, if n less than equal to 9, any for loop we can do.
Yes, we can. Means it is difficult in for loop to run infinite loop. But I am getting doubt here that here we are having that n is equals to 4, that how this value of 4 came to this loop. Wait, because this value n here, so
Here
it
only
will,
we can write return n equal to false.
no, we have to now we have to check now, because if this value of
I understood.
is this value greater than 9 or smaller. So how can we do that? Is how here it is done, because value of n is this. Okay, so now let's do it here again. Print n. Okay, so it will be like your new n. So I want to check, can after doing this while loop, is this value of n coming up again? Okay, so let's see it here. 25 new n, it came here, new n 25, it came through down here 925. Okay, now finally value of n 5 4. So here it till here it came. Now here it didn't come, right? Any doubt? Means are you confused? Means where are you yeah, please say.
This one you hope I will try it.
Okay,
Can you
yes,
explain me next one?
just right. Okay, means it is clear, just I am doubtful here that is
I
this.
clear that why it became false, I don't know.
Yes, that's only I am thinking, because this value of n is not checking anywhere, right? Like this if statement should be written below this while loop, then only that n will be coming there. Okay, so you can check it. Okay, if you didn't find any solution, then let me know. Okay, so yes, now this question, which question do
Can you open the WhatsApp?
WhatsApp? Yes, yes.
That one.
Copy paste. Okay, so have you seen this code?
Yeah, I can see now.
Means have you seen it earlier?
No.
Okay, so here we are having so basically, no, first of all try to means at least see the code. Okay, because it might be like you might find the solution on your own. Okay, so here we are taking this a as input. Okay, and now we will check for I in a. I in A. What is the value of I?
I is what is A? We should give something value. You could give
Yes,
that
suppose say at the input I gave a, suppose I give your name. Fine. So what is I?
I is A.
A. If if yes, okay, A. If A in S true or false?
If
I in S true or false?
true.
True, right? And means they both should be they both should true, right? I is alpha.
It's alphabet. A to Z. Is alpha means whether it is alpha like alphabet, whether it that letter comes in alphabet or no.
I don't know. Let me check.
No. Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is alpha. Yeah, right. So that it should be not any symbols. Like it should not contain any symbol like this. Okay.
Comma, point.
So it should not be contain some symbols like this. Okay. So these both statements are true. Now we will come here. What here we are doing is we are having this empty string. In this empty string we are adding s dot index first. Means index
I is A, no? Okay.
wait, here suppose say I don't know what this value will return, right? So what I will do is I will try it on a new code. I will take this.
There only if I return I will get wrong answer.
No, I will not, but it will be like complex. Means it will hard to see what is this. So suppose I want to say index. Suppose I want to in the first iteration the value will be A, right? So suppose say I will check A index. Okay, s dot index A. A is A. Wait. No, I cannot write I. I was what was I?
Okay, it was under for loop. So I is A.
I is A. So here you have written A, right?
Why you okay?
String.
What is I?
Yes, because it will can't understand what is I, because here it was inside loop, so here we have specified it. Okay.
It is string of s dot index I know printing and then just s dot.
S dot index of
It is string bracket. Complete I need now. No. Print str bracket s dot index of I.
No, in Jupyter notebook you can just write it.
Str at least we should write no outside.
Where are you saying here? This? No, just we can see the. Oh, hey, this you are saying? Yes, but I just want to see the value of this.
Okay, I'm just okay. We got 0.
Okay.
Index of A is
0.
0.
So what it is doing is it will giving me the index. Suppose I am having a letter C, like A R I is C, so it will give me the index of C, like 0 1 2. Okay, suppose I give it here C, so C will are 2, right? So it is basically giving just the index, and what we are doing here is we are adding the index 1 to the index, like the third 2 to 3, it will be 3. So then it will store this 3 in this S1.
Yeah.
Okay, so for first iteration it was this, and the second iteration, third iteration, it will work again and again. Okay, so in the second iteration we are having n.
This meaning is just like how many return SMS count of the alphabets present in the string.
Count the alphabet present.
Yeah, alphabets. Because if I have Anjana, I have dollar. There are 3 plus space is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are total number of indexes. Like total number of characters in string. Then I will get only 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Can you run this one, sir? I'm gonna space that only do it.
So first I will run it, but first if you have you understand the code.
Understood.
So first tell me what will the output.
If I given the input as
Anjana.
space hash.
No, not this.
Only
Just
Anjana.
yes.
Okay. It will be 3 plus 3 string of 1 minute. SI
If any doubt, let me know. I will tell you.
5. 5 it will give.
It will give 5. This.
5.
No, wrong. Check again. Any confusion wherever?
5 plus 1 6.
No. Tell me the complete output. What this S1 will present. Because here we are returning this S1. So what will be the value of this S1? S1 equals to what? Tell me the final answer. Means if you have any doubt here, tell me wherever you are having doubt.
1 minute.
Just a call, huh? You solve it. I'm having a call. I will be joining again.
हेलो
हेलो दादा. हाँ, तू कॉल कर रहा था क्या?
हाँ सोया था क्या तू?
ना नहीं, फोन साइड में रखा था. हाँ बता.
अरे भाई वो दुकान का नाम पूछा था, कोई नहीं, चल होगी, दिखा लिया मैंने. मदरबोर्ड खराब है, जैसे मदरबोर्ड खराब है.
अच्छा अच्छा. कहाँ दया 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 था?
दया भाई नाम पूछा था मैं, नाम याद नहीं, फिर मैंने एशिया वाले में दिखा लिया था कहीं पर वो है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
इसमें फिर पैसा तो नहीं ले चेक करने के.
अच्छा, मदरबोर्ड खराब है क्या?
हाँ.
रैम वगैरह ठीक
है?
रैम वगैरह
तो सही है कर रहा सारी.
अच्छा अच्छा. तो दीदी को बता दिया होगा कितना खर्चा आएगा?
हाँ.
ठीक हो गया. ठीक हो गया. ठीक. No, again check. See here we are, what we are doing is here.
Added the number.
No, we are, don't you here see it is string. It is not your integer.
Yeah.
What is integer string concatenation? I think you forgot it. Like if you add this, what will be? Tell me what will be the output. Suppose say b is equals to 5, and I say print a plus b. Tell me what will be the output.
4 5. Yeah.
4 5, right? So here we are doing the same thing.
Will be added 3 6 10.
Yes, like first a is 3. A comes at first place, right?
For A it is 1.
Index is 0 and then 1. So it will be 1 3. J is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10. J comes at 10th place,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
It will 10.
Okay.
Now A comes again at 1, N comes again 3, A comes again 1. So according to me, this should be the possible outcome.
Okay.
So let's try it. I'm not sure, but let's do it. Okay. So yes. So if I say ANJNA, so we are having some error. Okay. So this is not the output. So output is your 1 is A, right? A, correct.
0 plus 1 1. Second one is J, no?
Second
First
N.
one is 11.
Huh?
STR of 10 plus S1 value. What was S1 value? S1 plus is that means we should do S1 plus. No?
No, we should not add addition.
S1 was 1.
Addition. We have not do addition because this is string.
Yeah, first character will be 1, no?
Correct.
Second character will be 1, then 10. 1, 1, 0 for animal.
How?
Okay, wait. 1, 0, 1.
Okay. Fine. I have done this wrong calculation wrong. I took this 3 because I thought C, not C. We don't have here C. Okay. So wait again. So are you here? Are you seeing the screen?
Yeah.
So the output will be your C. A is your first place, right? 1. N is at your. I thought it is in third place. It is not in third place. It is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13 is your index. But we are adding 1 here. So 13 plus 1. So it is a 14. N is at your 14.
You won't add again this S1 value. S1 plus is something post increment.
So earlier it was 1. So we are adding the new value at the end. The new value is 14.
1, 4.
So what we are doing here 1, 4.
Again you won't write 1 now.
No, again not. Again I haven't written. So this A1 is of A. This one is of A. So it is stored in S1. Now second time. This
Second time when N is
there.
when I is N.
Yes.
S1 became updated to 1. No, we should not. No. 1 minute. No. It is separate. We won't see.
When your N is the iteration, so this will be our output. Your 1 was old value for A, and your new value for N is 14. So they both will be added end to end. Okay.
Yeah. When else condition goes?
When you don't have I in S, or it is a special character, then it will just take the position of str of
Then if I given Anjana $,
yes.
then for $, it will come to else condition. Then str of $, it will happen.
Yes, then it will do the str of I. So I was str of I. Yes, so it will be like wherever at the end of this, here you will see $. Okay, so just
When you say $,
yes, you will see $, because you are just
str of $, will be there. Then
here you are seeing.
S1 plus equal to str of I, no, in else condition.
Yes, suppose say at the you got this output, right, for Anjana, right, only for Anjana, this output. Now you have $.
Yeah.
So this statement is false, this statement will run. So S1 was this. Now we have to add str of I. Just you have to add the $ symbol. This is your new output. So you got this or not? How we are getting this value? 14. Now for J we are having what we are having 10, right? So we will write 10. For A we are having 1, so we will write 1. For N we are having 14. A we are having 1. This is our output. It will be same as your output, right? Got it? Yes. Any doubt?
This dash insert, number search, triple double. I will go through them. If I get out, I will ask. Ready to go.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
The recording has stopped.